Hello everyone! Welcome back to our vlog! In today's video, we will have a dance battle in Brookhaven. So let's start! Pabili po si R. De, joke lang. Okay, anong bibilhin nyo? Ano bang bibilhin nyo? Huh?
Shotgun po?
Shotgun? Okay, isang shotgun.
Hindi!
1 million pesos.
Ito! Chocolate!
Chocolate? Okay. Ito, may morning star ako. Oh, astig. Ay!
Di yan ice cream!
More chocolate. Morning star tuloy. Oh, ito na, oh, ice cream mo. Kiel. Oh, yung bayad mo.
Ha?
Touch move yun.
Wait lang.
Bigay mo sa akin si Rainiel. Ay, si Rainiel daw. Wait lang, hanapin natin.
Kautang mo, wait lang. Ito
Oh,
ay.
ay.
Walang ako.
Ano ba dito meron?
Lapit
Lo.
na to. Ito.
Magpaparegister ta. Wow, ang daming pera. Sana all. Sheesh. Ay.
Oh.
That's all everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Bye!